Well, it's a nice sunny afternoon. Let's have a little walk in the jungle and maybe a cruise up the river on the 301. You have to grow right where my head is. Sorry about this, people. I'm slightly low in the action there, but I hate things in my face. Watch the tree. Oh, this thing's a fucking hoot! Running water, running water. Not seen that in 6 months. Oh, that's not a good thing. Balls my run up. That's only just come down as well, because this is a cow run. Not going to make that, are you? Not like that. Done that in one, but I would have killed those 2 new plants. There you go, new plants. When this is wet, you can't give it any beans when it's dry. Another tree. Ow, 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 ow. Scratchy, scratchy. How many more trees are we going to have down today? Over that. That's smelly. Oh, that stinks. I didn't want to go. normally go inland there. Oh well. Yeah, that's nice. This lightweight bike is paying off. I wouldn't be doing that on the other one. Knocking myself around a bit, don't I? Make my own exits there, see? Remember that for next time. That's eye scraping out spikes. So we'll, oh, and that one. Than what I was contemplating. Yeah. Okay. I'm still in it. Loving this wet sand. Someone else has been loving it as well, but look at the tire prints. Is so quick now, it's just the suspension that needs taming, and maybe the old bastard that's riding.